tough shit, drinking everything he saw, knocking on every bitch, flapping his jaws. He didn't know when to stop till he met the wrong chick whose name was Hypnotic. Hypnotic is a bitch that belonged to Hen, and Hen the motherfucker you don't wanna offend. See, Hen is a member of the EPK, 80 proof killers and they down the bang. Jim didn't know it's Octane in the jar. Me and Hen pulled his piece and that's all Jim saw. Jim hit the deck, Hen that loose, and then Hen called Jim, cause Jim had juice. Jim stepped up, boys trapped as fuck, and when Jim saw Jim, then Jim backed up. Jim Green had a crew, 3 white guys. It was Gilby, Goose, and his boy named Sky. All had heat, I swear, no lie. 2 sawed-off each and all strapped with knives. Here I am, right behind the bar, and I swear some shit's about to pop off. Then out of the blue, came through the door. Yep, Jose Q from Mexico. Come on, come on. He's this Vato scrap, and he always packed gas, man, the boy is strapped. Never solo, someone had his back. Last name Daniel, first name Jack. Jim saw Jack and went for the float, but Jack didn't drop his Jack off the coat. Coked up Jack pulled out the heat. 2 rounds of gin and knocked him off his feet. Hen shot back with a load of fofo. Took 5 shots for Jack to hit the flow. Jose Q, he jumped over his board. Took 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. Hen flew back through a table. Damn, Hypnotic tapped you to defend a man. She a good bitch, she a loyal dame. Yo, Jim shot a hole for denying his game. Now the only ones left was Jim and his crew. All scared as fuck, they jet out the saloon. Waiting outside with the boys in blue. As soon as they saw Jim, they blasted those fools. Everybody dead and my ball's a mess. Yo, that's what I get for working here, I guess. So watch your back, man, the streets is real. And yo, have a nice day in the Vacaville. So watch your back, man, the streets is real. And yo, have a nice